Hi, it's Shifat here. Today I'm going to talk about one skincare product that is Squalane, the best ever facial oil I have used in my life, and I will tell you why I love it so much, what are its benefits, and how it's gonna work for your skin, and how we can use it in a several ways. So let's start. So, first of all, you have to understand about this ingredient named squalane. तो squalane है क्या? Squalane is derived from squalene. See, don't confuse with squalene. That is ANE and this is ENE. It is a chemical naturally occurring in the human body and even present in the oils of human fingerprints. ये एक लिपिड है जो नेचुरली प्रोड्यूस्ड होता है बाय आवर ओन स्किन सेल्स। स्क्वालिन एक्चुअली में बाय प्रोडक्ट है स्क्वालिन का आफ्टर इट हैज़ अंडरगॉन अ हाइड्रोजनेशन प्रोसेस। सो बेसिकली इट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड विद द हाइड्रोजनेशन ऑफ स्क्वालिन। अब हाइड्रोजनेशन क्या है? ये एक केमिकल रिएक्शन है बिटवीन वन एलिमेंट विथ हाइड्रोजन। स्क्वालिन इज़ एन एमोलिएंट जो स्किन को सॉफ्ट करता है, बट वी कैन नॉट यूज़ स्क्वालिन ऑन आवर स्किन क्योंकि ये हाईली अनस्टेबल होता है एंड इट ऑक्सीडाइजेस वेरी इजीली। सो व्हाट इज़ बीइंग डन टू सॉल्व दिस इशू? वी यूज़ स्क्वालिन जो कि 100% सैचुरेटेड है और इट्स वेरी स्टेबल एंड डजंट गेट ऑक्सीडाइज्ड इजीली। और इसमें बहुत से एनिमल एंड प्लांट बेस्ड स्क्वालिन अवेलेबल हैं, बट मैं प्लांट बेस्ड स्क्वालिन प्रिफ़र करती हूँ बिकॉज आई डू नॉट सपोर्ट एनी ऑफ एनिमल बेस्ड स्क्वालिन। सो हियर आई हैव स्क्वालिन फ्रॉम द ब्रांड मिनिमलिस्ट. It is their 100% pure olive squalane and we pay 699 rupees for 30 ml. Basically, it doesn't have any color. See, it's not heavy and doesn't feel greasy or oily at all. It's very lightweight facial oil and I love its texture. If you have not used any of this oil, then you may find a little heavy to your skin, but after some uses, it will be okay for you. If your skin doesn't like heavy facial oil, then this lightweight, non-greasy facial oil is for you. It can also act like an emollient which can moisturize and also works as occlusive to prevent the moisture and water loss. It also mimics our skin's natural oil. ये pores को clog नहीं करता, non-comedogenic है, hydration को lock रखता है, skin barrier friendly है, easily absorb हो जाता है and also be a sensitive skin friendly too. The best thing is it has a great shelf life. अगर आप टीनेजर हो देन आई डोंट थिंक आपको इसकी नीड होगी cause you have abundance of this ingredient on your skin already. But if you are approaching the mid-20s or late 20s, then it's gonna be very good for you. Did you know that 12% of our skin surface is made of squalene at our birth? Especially at our mid-20s, that is when our skin produces less and lesser amount of squalene. So we can use it topically by using squalane. I use it as my last step of my skincare routine, but इसको आप सीरम या एसेंस के बाद भी लगा सकते हो. But please don't apply directly on the skin and it works very well under gel moisturizers. और इसको मॉइस्चराइज़र और क्रीम्स के साथ भी मिक्स कर सकते हो. You can use it every day and night. For me, it works very well as I have dry to combination skin. It hydrates and moisturizes and make my skin supple and smooth and didn't cause me any breakouts. I think it can do great for all skin types, but remember, apply only 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 drops, not more than that. आई नो ये बहुत टेम्पटिंग है इसको ओवर यूज़ करना, बट इफ़ यू यूज़ मोर ऑफ इट देन इट कैन इरिटेट योर स्किन. So don't overuse it and always do a patch test if you are introducing any new product to your skin, because everything is not for everyone when it comes to skincare. Squalane is compatible with most of the ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, AHA, BHA products and retinol as well. It doesn't react to these ingredients because it is highly stable and this is 100% saturated oil. But do not apply directly on your bare skin. It can also be used with clay mask as well. Just put 2 to 3 drops of squalene for extra nourishment. I use squalene for my hair too as a hair serum. जिनको सिलिकॉन बेस्ड सीरम्स पसंद नहीं या सूट नहीं करते, then it can be a great serum for you. Most of the brands contains silicone on their serums. So if you want to use silicone free hair serum, you just need 4 to 5 drops of squalene on your dry hairs. You can use it every day in your hair also and you don't have to rinse it off. But please don't overdo it. So basically squalene एक lightweight facial oil है which is super good for skin and very well tolerated for all skin types and actually help to heal the skin barrier. Squalene is really a modified version of squalene. I love this ingredient, the texture, everything because it works wonderfully in my skin. Overall, I found this product to be very helpful for my skin and my hair too, and it is a very good for skin's health. And yeah, it is a decent product or ingredient, whatever you want to say. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more videos like this. Tada!